got an FFW. Let's go.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flag.
It's for Newcastle County.
Newcastle County in northern Delaware.
It's for Newcastle County.
At 10:26 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area.
It's right there. We got freaking FFW for Newcastle County. Let's go.
Rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area.
KIH28.
Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Let's go. FFW on
Flash flooding
KIH28.
caused by heavy rain.
Look at that rain.
Flooding of small creeks and streams.
Oh, SVR! Possible tornado. It's gonna be a double header. Oh shoot!
Some locations that may experience.
Yo, it's gonna be a double header. They issued a SVR for Newcastle County now. What the heck? That's insane. What the heck? Yo, what the heck? That's crazy.
Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.
That's insane. We'll make it go off. Cover the speaker.
Up to 2 inches of rain has fallen in the last hour and a half, with another half-inch to an inch
Come on.
4 p.m. Central Daylight Time this afternoon.
It doesn't want to go off.
Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northeastern Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland. The thunderstorm was located over Massachusetts, 12 miles southwest of Middletown, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Passage 60 miles per hour wind gusts. The wind capability was 81%. Intensive damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines possible. Locations in Texas include North, Middletown, Delaware City, Millington, St. George's, Sassafras, Mount Pleasant, Glasgow, Bear, Delaney Corner, Massey, Crumpton, Townsend, Galena, Odessa, and Brookside. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for central and northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage.
Yep.
Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and significant property damage. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for central and northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Kent, and Queen Anne's. The